Hi everybody, let's start to look at how to assign different types of things in Google Classroom. So here's my demo class, and I'm immediately going to go to the classwork page. Remember, I like to leave the stream for announcements. So this create button is where all the magic happens. So assignments, a quiz, just a simple question, which you might want to use as a warm-up. Static material, meaning they can't really interact with it other than viewing it. Or I can even pull a post from another classroom and reuse that assignment. But I'm going to pick new assignment. I'm going to give it a title. Whoa, that is not how we spell essay. And to be honest, I often leave instructions blank. I give them verbally. Very few students I've learned will read them. They do look at due dates and things like that, and usually I have instructions within the assignment itself. But the doc that I want them to have is in my Google Drive. So you can create right from here. You can upload like a PDF or a doc from wherever you have it, but I like to go to Drive. And I was working in it recently, and you can see it defaults to recent, and here it is. It's right here. I can also search my drive in other ways, but I'm going to click on this right here and add it. Now, the most important step is this one right to the right here. You do not, well, you want them to work in it and answer the questions, so I would not have them be able to just view it. This is the one you do not want. If students can edit the file, that means everybody in your class is editing that one doc that you created. What you do want to choose is make a copy for each student. This is critical. Okay. Over here, this is new this year. First of all, you pick which classes you want, and you can assign it to multiple classes, which is nice. But here is what's new. You can make groups, so you might have one assignment for one group and a different one for others. So to create groups, you just click here and add names. So that's a pretty nifty new upgrade, but we're not going to do that. We are going to pick a due date. So I'm going to click on the calendar icon, and it brings up, let's say I want to do next Tuesday. So students will be able to see that, and that will appear in their calendars as well. Next, I'm going to pick a topic I want it to go under, because topics are a great way to organize your Google Classroom. The ones I like to use are resources, and this week or today. You can also do topics like fractions or Revolutionary War, whatever your topic is. Or you could just have a running list of assignments, but I'm going to put mine under today. You can easily create a topic right there. It'll give you the space to do that. This is going to be a formative, but I want it ungraded. I'm going to leave it ungraded. I can add a rubric, which we'll talk about another time. It can check plagiarism, but it only gives you 3 free ones, so I don't know that it's all that worth it. Now we're ready to assign. If you're not wanting students to see it until like the day you introduce it, you can schedule it. So let's say I want to schedule it to come out on maybe tomorrow. Here's today, the 13th, but I want it to come out tomorrow. I can pick that. But I actually want to post it right now, so I'm just going to click Assign. You could also save it as a draft and go back and work more on it later, so that's nice. And over here, you can see it's in bolded black. It's an assignment that's a formative. Students can see that. Now, I am not in as a student, and I need to do that. I need to show you what it looks like from a student perspective. Because everything's tied to PowerSchool and I don't have students, it's a little tricky. But on another day, I'll try and get in as a student in somebody else's classes to show you what students see on their end, how they turn it in, and how you would grade it and give them feedback. But for now, that's it. Have a great week.